Hello, DJ ZMARIE family. It's me, DJ ZMARIE, the dancing DJ. Today I am going to show you how to learn the Dougie in 60 seconds. Let's get started. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting on, Earthling? Click the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell and become a part of the DJ ZMARIE family.
From the cares of the world and all its demands, hey, just pull up and experience. Yeah, GFE on demand. GFE on demand. Yes, GFE on demand. GFE on demand.
Great job, Earthling! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more dance videos. Also, don't forget to grab your DJ ZMARIE, the Dancing DJ t-shirt, and join the exclusive DJ ZMARIE family at heartforart.live. I also put the link in the description. Thanks for watching, family. God bless.
I'll serve you my king. You just need an escape, a moment of solace, so sit down and you'll see.